everyone, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita. Today I would like to share my Pan De Coco filling recipe. So come on, cook with Tita. And today we're cooking outside. It's beautiful out here. Let's go through our ingredients. I have 2 cups of coconut milk, which already preheating. 1 pound of shredded coconut, sweetened. 1.5 cup of brown sugar, and also 1 teaspoon of salt. Here it's starting to kinda bubble on the side, so let's put our brown sugar in here and kinda squeeze it around. In other words, melt it. Melt the brown sugar, okay? All right, so let me see. It's completely dissolved in there, guys, and it's starting to bubble, as you can see. All right, so now let's put our salt. Okay, there you go. And then we will put our coconut, and be careful, guys. Shredded coconut, that is. Be careful, all right? Because that is magma. Magma. In the Philippines, they call this bukayo. I hope I'm saying it right. Bukayo, 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 or bukayo. Okay? So, okay, let's kinda mix the coconut so that it can get really saturated. All right, in this point, guys, we are going to just cook the coconut slowly. So we are going to lower the heat, okay, to a medium high, or yeah, medium high. Okay, until the liquid almost gone, but not quite. Okay, you don't want your filling to be dry either. It's kind of windy out here, but it's beautiful. Nice sunny day. And that is the reason why we're cooking out here. All right, let's let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes and come back. Kind of mix it again. So this is how it looks. You know, after 3 minutes, we left it there. See, the caramelizing is going on over here. If do you see it? Okay, so kind of mix it again. Okay, thoroughly mix. Kind of getting brownish, right? So that indication, I should say, that is getting caramelized. 3 minutes, and we'll get back to that and see if everything is hunky-dory. Okay, guys, another 3 minutes is up. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, oh yeah, okay, oh yeah, that is how it looks after 6 minutes. And let me tell you guys, that if you have a smelly vision, it's so delightful, guys. Delightful. Okay, see how that's not dry and not too watery. So at this point, guys, let's turn off the heat You can store this at the, in the refrigerator until you're ready to use it for your Pan De Coco filling, that is. All right. So now the dough, I'm gonna show you how to make the dough. So when you use this, I'm going to show you how to use this. Okay. All right. Okay. So that's it, guys. Easy peasy breezy. Pan De Coco filling, caramelized coconut. I hope you like my recipe, guys. Try it. It's delicious and easy. As I always say, bon appetit. All right. Bye, guys.